In this video, I want to share with you how to convert PowerPoint to PNG files, to PNG or to image in PNG format. So there are two methods. The first is from your PowerPoint. Over here you have a number of slides up to 9, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, up to slide 9. So the first thing you need to do, you can do the conversion individually. For example, I want to convert page 7 to PNG. So all you need to do is to come to the file over here and you come to save as. You can browse to the location of your choice. So let's say I'm sending it here. I give it a name, slide 7, and then you can come down to the save as type. So you select the format. You can come all the way down to PNG, the portable network graphics format. You just select it and then you have the option to save. So at this point you will be asked whether you want to save for all the slides in PNG or just this one. So for example, we want to save just slide 7. We just say just this one, and it's just going to be slide 7 that is converted to PNG. So we can check it to confirm. Okay, we are here and you can see slide 7, and you can just double click it to open and you can see it in PNG format. So this is slide 7 converted from our PPT. And you have another option that you can convert the entire PowerPoint into a PNG. So you can just come over here. Okay, from here you can just come all the way to file, save as. You navigate to the same location, select PNG, and you give it a name. Maybe you can say all slides, and then you can say save, and you can say all slides. This time it's going to convert each slide as a separate slide. So you can check from here, you can see it in one folder, all slides. So once you open, you can see all these 9 slides. Okay, this is slide 1 up onto slide 9. So it has converted it separately, and you can see it in a very good resolution. So you are free to kind of copy it and use it elsewhere, maybe within other documents and so on. So this is the first method, converting from the PowerPoint. The second method is an online method. So all you need to do is come to your browser over here and just search PPT to PNG. Just search PPT to PNG and you can see it, PPT to PNG online free conversion. You can just click on it and you can come over here, convertio.co/ppt to PNG. I'll put this link in the description. So all you need to do is to drag the file from here. Okay, so we'll click on choose file and then we navigate to the location PPT to PNG, and this is our location, this is our PowerPoint. So we just select it and we click on open and we can see it over here. So all we need to do is to come to convert. Okay, so we can say convert. So it has finished converting. You can see it. Welcome to PowerPoint.png zip. So you can just come over here and click on download to download it. You can rate it for them because it's free. Okay, so once you finish the download, you can just come to this arrow, show in folder. So this is the downloaded file. So we just right click and just come over here and say extract to this same file. Okay, so we can see the extracted PNG file. Once we double click and we can see all our 9 files converted to PNG. So you can just click to check. You can see it very nicely done and in very good resolution. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just the 2 methods in which you can convert your PowerPoint slides to PNG using the PowerPoint or using an online support tool. If you enjoyed this video or you like it in any way, please remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.